So here you can select your answer. If you can listen again, you can repeat the questions. Okay, so let's go continuously to the math. Again, we can go into the next chapter of this section. Continuously, you can go ahead if you want. If you want to repeat again this section, we can repeat it again. Otherwise, continuously you can complete the first section for all.
You can open that from inside, but don't forget to lock it at the end.
Okay.
And talking of bands, I'm sure I don't need to tell you this, but you must make sure that no one fiddles about with the black box by the fire door. That's a system that cuts in when the volume reaches a certain level. It's a legal requirement.
Sure. Anyway.